Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name is Odunayoroseline. If you are here for the very first time, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and make sure you turn on your notification bell. So today I'll be making a tutorial video on how to get a certificate for free on Coursera. Yes, I mean for free. The thing is that Coursera usually offers financial aid. What will it financial aid do for you? Like, you'll be able to access any course that interests you on their website for free without paying a dime. Yes, without paying a dime, and it's with free certificates. Okay, just note this, like, not all courses on the website has option for financial aid, but majority of the courses on this website provide option for financial aid, yes, with free certificates. So without further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial. All right, this is the first thing you see when you go to the site. So the next thing is go to the search box. So for the sake of this course, let's put in for the strategy of content marketing for the sake of this course. So as you can see, if there's financial aid option for this course, you will see it beside this enroll for free. So this course is offered by University of California. So let's pick it. Let's click on financial aid available. So application can take up to 16 days. Yeah, we know that. So you click on continue to the application. Continue. So it will bring this kind of form, I think so. So they are using style to ask you some questions. This is your educational background. You pick if you're a master's student, but for the sake of this tutorial, let's pick college and degree. The next thing is your annual income, like the amount you earn per year. You should try and pick a lower amount of money. You know, you are seeking for financial aid. The next thing is employment status. You click on, okay, if you are a student, if you are unemployed, if you are part-time, just click on that. So the next thing is reason you apply for, the reason why you're applying for the financial aid. So I think I'm applying for one before. This is not related to the strategy for content marketing, right? So for this one, I was applying for a Tableau visualization course. So I said I'm currently a student of so and I have a deep interest in fundamental of Tableau visualization. I feel I lack the understanding of the basis of. You should make sure you try to convince them that why the reason why you want the course. And I also said, you know, I said at first I'm a student. I said, being a student, I have no income of myself. I could have done internship and used it stipend to pay for this course, but I'm currently, my personal and university expenses are already very high, which leaves me behind a small amount of money. If anyone read this, be like, okay, with my deep interest in the field, I don't want to lose out the opportunity to learn just because I'm unable to pay for the amount. It's a great initiative by Coursera to have option for financial aid. Hence, I would like to request for a financial aid waiver for the course. And then sincerely, and you make sure you write up to 150 words. So assuming I write something more, not up to 150 words, this boss will be giving me word signal that it must reach 150 words. And then I have reviewed my information, and you click on next. Again, how much can you pay for this course? Actually, the amount for the course is $49. So I don't have money, right? So let me the course. So how will your selected course help you with your goals? So you write again, like the course, maybe it will give you some skills you need in the workforce. You shall put it how the course will help you with the initial goal you have in mind, how the course will benefit you. You just try to put it and convince them why they should grant you the financial aid. And after you go to the terms and conditions, I am sharing accurate, yes, click on yes, I commit to finish, yes, and make sure you finish that course. Please ensure you finish that course, because it's of recent that Coursera starts to give financial aid again, because most people that they request for financial aid, they just leave the course unfinished. You understand? I agree to the terms and condition. Just write that I agree to the terms and condition in that box. I am not a robot. Click on I am not a robot. So after everything is done, you click on that review. So this is what will show up next. So after applying for it, this is the email they will send to you. Thank you, we've received your financial aid application. Though this thing might take up to 15 to 16 days before they review the application. So after they review the application, let me show you the email they will send to you. So after reviewing your application, if it is approved, this is the format or type of email they will send to you, that your application has been approved. You cannot start the course. And if there's any way they rejected your application, it will be written in the mail they send to you why your application has been rejected, and we make sure you correct that. So we've come to the end of the video, and I hope this tutorial helps you in applying for financial aids on Coursera website. So if you like this video, if it's helpful, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn your notification bell for another video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.